Hello po, ako si Doc Patrick Anthony Di Roquel. You can call me Anton. No? So, here in SKNN by Bencao, ako po yung technically parang medical physician po nila on board. So, what we do here is herbal restoration and then also medical aesthetics at saka acupuncture. No? So, what we do in particular na kakaiba is that we try to mix Western and then also Oriental or Eastern medicine, yung traditional Chinese medicine natin. No? And ang ginagawa natin is we're trying to merge, pinag-fusion natin siya. We do believe kasi na not one is better than the other but both are best pag pinagsama natin siya. So yun yung isang area po na proud kaming pinapakilala here in SKN at Bencao po.
Gaano po kahalaga na kumbaga alagaan ang ano natin, yung balat natin, yung skin natin?
Overall health. So, as a medical practitioner kasi, no, sa skin kasi marami ka na makikita no? Pero ang akala ng marami, it's yung sa panglabas lang natin, no? And it translates kasi kung ano nararamdaman mo. If kung let's say meron ka ng mga build-up ng toxin, meron ka ng mga nararamdaman, it eventually shows kasi din sa skin. So, ang ginagawa natin ngayon is nililinis natin, no? Yung pangkalooban and then outer areas and outer portions din. And what we do with the consults itself is that, sabi ko nga, we're trying to mix both areas, Western and then Oriental medicine, no? Bakit? Si Western medicine, ito yung nakasanayan natin. This is yung book-based, the theoreticals, the clinical basis, no? The Oriental side naman kasi, ito yung pag tinignan natin a little bit more deeper, no? In sense na it's yung energies, the grounding itself. So, ang kagandahan kasi once that we marry both sides, no? Hindi lang kasi siya Band-Aid treatment. Well, sometimes kasi what happens, kasi namin nating Band-Aid treatment, yung parang tinapalan lang natin, no? Yung problema. So, ang ginagawa natin is yung overall wellness, holistic wellness talaga yung tinatry natin i-achieve, lalo na here sa ating clinics ng SKNN by Bencao.
Mensahe mo sa mga tagapanood?
Yeah, ayan. So, sa mga nanonood po, we invite you here sa aming clinic, no? Here in Wilson Street, sa may San Juan. Please try yung mga services namin. We have yung medical aesthetics, herbal restoration, acupuncture, and then hopefully magdagdag pa po kami ng mga other services to cater to your needs po. Ayan, maraming salamat po.